Hi fams, welcome back to my channel. If you're stumbling over my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Firstly, I would like to apologize because this audio is not actually singing with my voice, like with what I'm saying with my mouth. So I had already finished filming this video only for me to watch it and see that there was no audio. I was so pissed off, but then there is nothing I can do other than do this voiceover. So in this video, I traveled with my fiance to his village. This is not my first time here. This is not my second time here. In fact, I am a shareholder in this home. So I visited him, I visited his parents, and we just came to plan things and just see how things are going to be going for the time being. And when I came here, of course, there are many people that have been waiting for me to come, which amongst them are these children that you're seeing. So they had to beg me to make food for them. So I am starting off my day by making a very delicious spaghetti for the kids. So we are pounding pepper and we have our crayfish and we have our tomatoes.
Tell me, how do you use this? If you did to put
That one ball.
It's just children.
Show me. So somebody told me that this village life is very good on.
Yeah.
That you they do yeah. Oh yeah what? Village life is not good. It's not good for me. Oh you mean? So these are my camera. This is my camera again. Who is inside? I feel like I want to pound this too. Hala. Say something. Some have been crying. Say something.
Hi.
Yeah.
Like people that have your money.
People that have me.
That accepted to be their friend.
Yeah.
You post it and then they just accept it. But I don't see it. But people that are not accepted will not see it. So why do you like doing it?
Why? I like it because it's sweet.
This thing to give me. They will be sending them for you. Or the time. That will be your money.
Yeah, that will be a must.
Hey guys.
Continue. Continue.
Okay. Guys, I want to put right. So this is the macaroni. I'm not quite inside the hot water. Oh boy. Yeah, too. You don't know how to talk.
You know what's stuck. Hey, push it those things. Ah, Jesus. Leave it there. I'm not
this
done.
is what I want to eat our tomato.
My God. Let it be this one.
I finished eating this spaghetti.
See this one. Meanwhile, commotion.
So let's boil for 5 minutes.
Oh, yeah, nah.
Like this is okay. You don't even need to allow it to boil.
Miss Mama, get that.
If you boil too much, if you boil too much, it will be so,
Come on, get out.
to be so.
So we saw what?
It will be so soft and it will not be good.
Okay. So which pot are we going to use and cook it? We're supposed to use this
You are
one.
going to use this pot.
So throw that one away so that we'll use that one. Is there stew? Should mom say we'll use stew? Nah. Okay, but this fowl that you're seeing, they are so bad. They are the ones that are coming to choke mouth. Anyway you keep anything, they'll come and choke their mouth. Come on, move your head. Put it inside the pot. So my leaf there. Aside. Say hi. What is your name? Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding? Say something.
Say hi, my name
My name is
See your nose. So let's actually go and cook the food. That's fine. And please cut onion. Come. Take that seat inside. Take that chair you brought out inside. Then you go inside and eat it.
What are you doing?
Go inside. This is like 3 hours, not 3 hours, it's more than 4 hours after I last spoke to you, and I have slept, I've woken up, I've gotten hungry. I ate something that my roommate gave to me. She has gone to work, and the time is currently 22 minutes after 4 o'clock, and I am resuming my night duty for I don't know how long it's going to be, but I'm sure resuming night duty today. The weather is kind of cloudy because it's about to rain. I don't know if it's about to rain, but the weather is cloudy. I don't know. I'm starting off work. I'm supposed to resume by 6:30. Yeah, I'm supposed to resume my night duty by 6:30. So the time is currently 4:22. So I have a lot of time. By like 5:30, I'm going to start getting prepared for this night duty. I'm going to take my bath, and there is no food, so I'm not eating anything. So today for our night duty, I'm going to be wearing my scrub, and this is how my scrub is. It has this wine color and this kind of Ankara stuff. Probably when I'm done dressing, you guys are going to see how it's going to be looking. But for now, I just decided to come talk to you guys and to tell you guys that I'm still here and I love you all. If you've watched to this point and you've not subscribed, you're the reason why I've not blown. Please subscribe so that I think I'm going to edit a video now just so I can be very productive with myself, and then when it's time for me to go and start for me to start when it is time for me to start preparing, I'm just going to go and take my bath and start heading to work. Yeah, I am this time. I guess you could get married. They want this time age for this time. Say hi.
Hi to what?
Do.
I picked it up.
So we are just coming back from night duty, and the time is currently after 8. We signed out late because we have to wait for the morning duty nurses to come before we depart, before we hand over to them. So I'm just going home now. I'm going to go and take my bath and I'm going to rest. See you guys later. Bye.